Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve first 15 question of chapter 11 algebra for class 6. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 1. The equation for the statement 1/3 of number added to second multiple of 6 is 24 is dash. Here number is taken as y. And 1/3 of y means y by 3 is added to means plus second multiple of 6. Multiple of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 36 and so on, and second multiple of 6 is 12. So 1/3 of number is added to second multiple of 6 means 12 is 24. Then equation will be this. So here C is correct answer. Question number 2. When Raju multiply a certain number by 17 and adds 4 to the product, he gets 225. Find the number. So that number we take it as x. He multiply the number with 17 and then the product of this he add 4. And then he get 225. So equation will be 17x plus 4 is equal to 225. Then 17x is equal to 225 minus 4. 4 become minus 4 this side. Then 17x is equal to 225 minus 4 is 221. So x will be 221 by 17. So here x is equal to 17 1 is 17 and 13 into 17 is 221. So x is equal to 13. That number is 13. A is correct answer. Question number 3. Equation for the statement twice the product of m and n. Twice the product of m and n means m into n, and twice means 2 times, equal to, this equal to thrice their difference. Thrice they are different. Their difference is m minus n, and thrice means 3 into. So here equation will be D. D is correct answer. Question number 4. If 6 time of number is 318, then the number is dash. We take x as a number. 6 time of a number means 6 into x is 318 means is equal to 318. So here 6 is in numerator, so this side it will go in denominator. So x is equal to 318 divided by 6. So x is equal to 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 1 remaining, and 18, 6 3s are 18. So x is 53. Here A is correct answer. Question number 5. An algebraic expression 11 minus y can be written in a statement form as y is less than 11. So here B is correct answer. Question number 6. Which of the following equation justify the given statement? When x is divided by y, the quotient is added to the product of. Now this answer will be added in the product of x and y. Product of x and y means x into y. So here equation will be x divided by y plus xy. Here D is correct. Question number 7. If 12 less than 3 times of a number is 27, then the number is dash. We take x as a number. 3 times of number means this number is x, and 3 times means 3 into s, and less than 12. Less than 12 means minus 12. Is equal to 27 is 27. So our equation is 3x minus 12 is equal to 27. Now 3x is equal to 27. Here 12 is having minus sign, so it will become plus here. So 3x is equal to 27 plus 12 is equal to 39, and x is equal to 39 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So x is equal to 13. So here D is correct answer. Question number 8. If x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7, then find the value of this equation. So we put 3 instead of x. So 3 by 2 plus 4y. Y instead of y we put 7 plus 2. So here 3 by 2 plus, here 4 into 7 is 28 plus 2. So 3 by 2 plus 28 plus 2, 30. Now here denominator is 1. So for addition we have to make their denominator same. So we find out LCM. LCM is 2. So we multiply denominator and numerator by 2. Here 3 by 2 plus, here 30 into 2 is 60, and 2 into 1 is, now we can add because their denominator are same. 3 plus 60 is 63. So our answer is 63 by 2. A is correct answer. Question number 9. To get the value of x, the number to be multiplied on either side of equation x by 5 is equal to 15 by 3. Equation is x by 5 is equal to 15 by 3. So on both sides, here denominator is 5. We want x only. So here we multiply by 5, and here also both sides same means here also we multiply by 5. So this 5 will get cancelled, this 5 will get cancelled. X is equal to 75 by 3. So here C is correct answer. Question number 10. If 2 by 3 p minus 2 and half is equal to 3 and half, then the value of p is. So here we have to find out the value of p. So here equation is 2 by 3p minus 2 and half, and here 3 and half. So here 2 by 3p minus, here 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2 is equal to, here 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2. Now 2 by 3p is equal to 7 by 2. Here this 5 by 2 having minus sign, so it will become here plus. So here 2 by 3 p is equal to, here denominators are same, so we can add 7 plus 5 is 12. So here 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. P is equal to 6 into, we take reciprocal of this, 3 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. P is equal to 3 into 3, 9. So here also C is correct answer. Question number 11. Which of the following is an equation? Is equal to is present in option C. And there are constants also present and variables also there. So C is an equation. Question number 12. The breadth of the rectangular is W centimeter and the length is 5 times as long as its breadth. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? So here breadth is given W centimeter and length is 5 times as long as the breadth, means 5 into W. centimeter. And perimeter of rectangular is 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length is 5W plus breadth is W is equal to 2 into 5W plus 1W, 6W. And yes, 2 into 6 is 12 W centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is 12 W centimeter. So here B is correct answer. Question number 13. The number of girls in class is 3 times the number of boys. Which of the following cannot be the total number of students in the class? Here we take it as X. And for girls, 3 times of the number of boys means 3x. And then total number of students is boys plus girls is equal to total. X plus 3x is 4x is equal to total. Then x is equal to total divided by 4. So this total should be divisible by 4. Option A 24. Then divide by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. So x can be, boys can be 6. If we take option B 32 by 4, then number of boys is 8. If we take 36, then number of boys 9. And 41 divided by 4, 41 is not divisible by 4. So 41 we cannot take as the total number of students in the class. So here D is correct answer. Question number 14. The algebraic expression for the statement the product of x and reciprocal of a is subtracted from the product of y and reciprocal of b is dash. So here product means multiplication. Product of x means multiplication of x and reciprocal of a. Reciprocal of a is 1 by a. Is subtracted from means this subtracted from product of y means y, product means into, and the reciprocal of b. Reciprocal of b is 1 by b. Equation will be y by b minus x by a. So here A is correct answer. Question number 15. The algebraic expression for the statement thrice of x is added to twice of y is. Here thrice of x means 3x added to twice of y means 2y. Expression will be 3x plus 2y. Here A is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.